Welcome guys to my channel, and today we are going to make an Android app in Android Studio with an birthday card. So let's begin. So firstly we'll go to Android Studio and create a new project, and the name would be, I'm giving you my name, you can name it as per your choice. So let's name it as birthday card, and make sure to hit the like button. So the domain we will leave it as it is, and you can choose as per the version you like. I'll choose Node because my smartphone is running on that only. Click next. We'll choose an empty activity. Click next, and we'll name it as main activity. Yeah, it's good. So as you can see, our project is now created. So when you will open the project, it will look something like this. There would be written a hello world, and we doesn't need this actually. So here is the preview. We'll just go in the text mode because in the design view it's very difficult to give attributes, and we'll just read the text view. And firstly we'll start with the project with creating an relative layout. So we'll type relative layout, and we'll write match parent. So in the relative layout we'll just create a text view for, or let's first insert an image view and match parent. So here we have to insert an image for the background. I have downloaded an image, this. So we'll just copy it by right clicking, and we'll click copy. We'll go in the Android Studio. Here by dragging here we can move to project section, and in the Android we'll go into an app and then into resources, and in the resources here is the drawable folder. We'll just click it and press Ctrl V for pasting it, and click OK, and we'll just write it as our background. It's now done. This is the image. We'll just close it, and now we will insert it. We'll write Android src ready to source, and we'll write the name with at the rate drawable. So Android Studio come with a suggestion, and this is the background. So it doesn't need these white spaces. So we'll just write Android layout scale type, or without layout scale type, and center crop. So you can see now it's centered and it's a full background. So we'll just add the text. Now we'll add the text view, and we'll start with an greater sign, and we'll select the text view, parent. So in the relative layout we should first place Android text. Here's the text, and we'll write the text happy birthday my dear friend. In place of my dear friend you can write your friend's name, and after that it's too small here, it's even not visible. So we'll just increase the size of the text. So we'll write Android text size. It came with a suggestion, and we'll put it to uh, let's say 36 square pixels sp. And now it's big enough, but we doesn't need that much. Let's try 28. Yeah, that's fine. So let's make it as center. First we will write Android and then text and alignment and center. Now it's in the center. It's pretty good now. So now we'll just color it with Android and then the text color. It came in suggestion, and we'll write hex code for this. So for getting the hex code, you can go to description. I have provided a link of this website. It is of Google. Here you can find hex code for so many colors. Here are color tools, and this is a palette. So we'll just simply choose the purple color and we'll copy it, Ctrl C, and paste it here, Ctrl V. Now the color is changed. We can change the background too, but we doesn't need the background which would we choose change because we already have a background. And now we'll just add a padding, Android padding, give me a suggestion, and let it be 16 dips. Yeah, now the text has moved 16 dips bottom to the screen. So now this is the text view, and now we have to specify that whom have sent this. So we have to write our name here, text view here, copy and paste it here, Control V. So it's made and voting over here. It's overwrite on it. So we'll click wrap content here to write wrap content, and we'll change the text here. We'll replace it by Aniket. My name is Aniket, so I'll write my name. You can write it, and we'll write here, and we'll align it right here, if you can see it, and this fifth hand. So we'll write Android layout, align parent bottom. Its Android Studio has came with one, and now you can see it's here, but we have to put it here. So we'll put the Android Studio, Android layout, and align parent left, but we have to replace it with right, overwrite right, and set the value to be true. Yeah, it's now true. As you can see, it's now in the rest. So we have to do this much only, and now our birthday card is created. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe our channel Technical Aniket and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates, and please hit the like button.